Hi guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So now you want to know about various colleges fees. Now guys, before even we talk about money, the most important thing is when you are investing money, you want return on investment. That is, you want to join a college or a company where you can get promotions fast, where you have a job surety, where the waiting period is less. That means ऐसा नहीं है you joined a company or a college but now that company is taking 1 year to send you on your first shift. You are wasting time, you are wasting money, right? So that is why whenever you are watching this video, you have to go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, you have to go to our college portal, the link is in the description box and pinned comment, and check what all colleges are we recommending. Why? Because the colleges that we are recommending, we know that these shipping companies are good, we know that the waiting period is less, we keep on updating these colleges as per the feedback every 3 months. So zaruri nahi, it is not necessary that if you see a certain company today, you will see the same company after 8 months or 1 year as well. Because if that college or company is not doing good, or if that college company waiting period is increasing, I will bring them down to the other recommended list. And supposedly another college which was in other recommended list suddenly has started doing well, I will put them in the recommended list. So that is why this college portal is very important if you want to join right now and you are watching this video. Now similarly, when you have gone to the college portal, you can see various fees out there which varies between 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs for 1 year, which has got 2 semesters. So basically you have to pay fees in 2 installments. Say for Anglo-Eastern the fees is 6,65,000, so you have to pay first installment before you join and second installment after 6 months. That is how it works. So similarly, if you want to join IMS Goa, the fees is around 5,99,000, again 2 installments. So now the question is guys, that must come to your mind is that पैसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहे हैं, पैसा निकलेगा कि नहीं निकलेगा, will the money come or not? And that is why trusting us is very important. That is why joining the best shipping company is very important. That is why joining a company where the waiting period is less is very important. If you are eligible for any of the top-notch shipping companies, you have to always try to get in those shipping companies. And for that, you have got GME Excellence Package if you want to prepare online. And if you think, yeah, I am not that self-motivated that I can prepare online, you can come all the way to Dehradun to prepare offline coaching at SMVD Marine Academy under Vikas Sir guidance, getting fabulous results. These are the 2 things that you can do. Now let's come back to the money matter. So guys, अब 6 लाख 7 लाख रुपए फीस है, कैसे निकालें? So guys, you can go for education loan as well. So going for education loan, the first requirement is that you should not have a already existing loan on yourself. Say already you have got a BTech loan and you think you'll get additional loan, it won't be a possibility till the time you are putting some collateral कि भैया मैं personal loan लूँगा and I'm putting my house at risk or something like that. Generally, if you are taking an education loan, you just have to give them your documents, educational certificates, PAN card, Aadhaar card, house, किस घर में रह रहे हो, all those things. Apart from that, you will need to submit the company's prospectus, company's sponsorship letter. They will check all those things. आपकी civil, your civil and your parents' civil should be right. कि ऐसा नहीं कि old loan was there which was not paid on time or the check would have bounced. So this old theory is also checked and then you might get a loan. So many students have got those loans and they are studying there. Return on investment will not be a concern if you trust me. Return on investment will be a concern if you do not trust me. Say I have not recommended a college and you still join that college. अरे प्रणीत सर तो ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं and that college has got a 18 months waiting period. You did not know that. You were not watching my videos. Then after completing a college, you stay 1.5 years at home. The loan will start. From where will you pay? Then go and start working at a call center. So this is something very important. Joining right college, right company is very important, and that is why trusting us is very important. If you want complete knowledge about GME in detail, log on to our website, go to career section on the top, go to start as beginner, go down below and enroll for this free course after BTech Mechanical Engineering, and watch all the videos, make notes, and I am telling you, we keep updating it. You will not make mistake in life. With this, all I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.